Brake line flaring tool, part number 1. Hello and welcome today for the video brake pipe flaring tool. I have to speak slowly. So we don't talk about RC cars, but the same as a normal car, you have brakes on the front side and the back side, and the brake is working with some brake line or brake pipes, and if they get rusty or they're broken or damaged, then you have to replace it. One point is buy a new one and bring it on, or you buy something like this and build your own brake line. How this works, I show you right now. Let me move away the car. For building our own brake line, we have this professional set. It is for 4.75 DIN brake lines. So we have inside a brake line ratchet cutter. Get the brake line, you measure it, how much you need. It has a ratchet function. It's very well used, or easy to use, or perfect to use on tight or narrow places when you have to work on a car to disconnect or cut some brake pipes, or if you have some brake pipe like this, go on. There's a little click because it's springing, and then ratchet and cut it. And you don't have any sharp edge or whatever as when you do it with a normal metal saw. Then it's banded. You can do it like this, but I have a more easier tool. It's like this. Bring it in, move it down, and that's it, and the brake pipe is straight. What is the next part? Is using this flaring tool. It's just easy flaring tool. As I said, it's just for 4.75 millimeter brake lines. Bring this on, move the screws in. You have all in the set you need. Ratchet cut the back and the place. Then you have a distance screw. This you can bring in. You see this line and the hole. If you have it in, tighten these two screws, 10 millimeters. I use the 4-in-1 ring ratchet spanner, 10 millimeter. Switch to the right direction and tighten it. So after this, remove this distance screw and use the flaring screw. Use a little bit of the grease, bring it in, and then tighten it. And you see, it's a really small flaring tool. You have a good handle with a good grip. Just bring it till the end and open it. Place it back in your storing case of foam or back to the set. Open the screws. And the flaring is well done. You can put on. If you hear some noise in the background, that's my little camera assistant. He is talking and explaining to me how to work. It's a great 6-year-old boy. Put it on. Later, if you have to do the second side, be sure that you put it on first, or put it on first before you band it. So if you band it or bring the flaring on, you will not be possible to put this one on. Also in the set, it's a special brake bander from 3 till 6 millimeters. just bring it in. You have a scale on. You can do it like this, so 45 millimeters, what I need. Then I have a perfectly banded brake pipe without damaging in the inner angle or outer angle.